Hello friends, welcome back to Indian Restro. In today's episode, we bring you a completely new and delightful vegetarian dish, Chana Layer Pulao. The fragrant basmati rice, spiced chana, fresh mint leaves, crispy biresta, and the subtle aroma of rose water together create a recipe that is both royal and homely, a perfect blend of flavors. To prepare this recipe, we will need boiled chana, chopped onions, ginger paste, garlic paste, green chili paste, liquid stock, rose water, chana masala, cumin powder, fried potatoes, beresta, curd, chopped mint leaves, and boiled basmati rice. First, heat white oil in a pan and rotate it so that the oil spreads evenly. Then add 1 bowl of chopped onions and start frying them. Once the onions turn light brown, add 1 bowl of ginger paste and stir well. Then add 1 bowl of boiled chana and mix it properly. Sprinkle a little salt and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and saute well. Now pour half a bowl of water, mix it, and add 1 tablespoon of chana masala. Add a little more water, mix again, and add half a tablespoon of salt. Cook the mixture thoroughly so that the chana blends well with the spices. Now begins the layering process. First, add a little liquid stock to the cooked chana mixture. Then spread a layer of boiled basmati rice over it. Take a bowl of curd, whisk it well to make it smooth and slightly liquid, and spread a little over the rice layer. Then add mint leaves and biresta on top. Next, add another layer of rice. Over that, add another layer of the cooked chana mixture and sprinkle some fried potatoes. Finally, add another layer of rice. On top, spread curd, biresta, mint leaves, chopped ginger, and lightly sprinkle rose water. Now cover the pan and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes so that all the layers blend together. This dum cooking process brings out the true flavor of the pulao. After the time is up, open the lid and you will see a beautifully aromatic layered chana pulao ready to serve. Garnish it with round slices of cucumber, tomato, and onion to give it a perfect restaurant-style presentation. Indian cuisine is known worldwide for its diversity, tradition, and constant evolution. Within this vast culinary heritage, Chana Layer Pulao is a relatively modern addition, inspired by traditional pulao and biryani cooking styles. The history of pulao in India dates back several centuries, originating from Central Asian and Persian influences. During the Mughal era, pulao became even more popular across the Indian subcontinent. One such vegetarian adaptation is chana pulao, where chickpeas are used as the main ingredient. In North India, especially in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, chana-based pulao has been popular for a long time. Over time, the technique of layering gained importance in Indian cooking, especially in biryani preparation. Arranging rice and spiced ingredients in layers creates a unique taste and aroma. From this layering technique emerged the concept of chana layer pulao, offering a vegetarian experience similar to biryani. In West Bengal, particularly in Kolkata, pulao and biryani have deep historical popularity. During the Nawabi era, Awadhi cuisine greatly influenced Kolkata's food culture. While Kolkata biryani is famous for its potatoes and mild spices, the same layering technique later found its way into vegetarian dishes. Chana Layer Pulao is a modern example of this fusion, combining traditional methods with new ingredients. In recent times, this dish has gradually gained popularity in Kolkata and across West Bengal. Additionally, ingredients like mint, beresta, curd, and rose water enhance both aroma and flavor. Various restaurants, cafes, and cloud kitchens in Kolkata are playing a major role in promoting such fusion dishes. The idea of presenting traditional biryani flavors in a vegetarian form has become especially appealing to the younger generation. As a result, Chana Layer Pulao is no longer limited to home kitchens. It is becoming a part of modern urban food culture. So friends, that's all for today's delicious recipe. In the next episode, Indian Restro will return with another new and exciting dish. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy your food.